Shares in France's Thales jumped more than 11% on Tuesday. The defence and technology firm posted stronger than expected 2024 earnings, despite losses in its space business. It extended a surge in European weapons-related stocks. Thales is Europe's largest defence electronics firm. It said adjusted operating income rose 5.7% on a like-for-like basis to over $2.5 billion. New orders rose by an underlying 6%. Thales shares had already soared alongside those of its peers on Monday after European leaders pledged to boost arms spending. That's to show US President Donald Trump that the continent can protect itself. And as investors digested the rapid pace of geopolitical changes, the sector rose for a second day on Tuesday after a US official said Trump had paused military aid to Ukraine. Kathleen Brooks is research director at XTB.
In some ways, what the US is doing could really help Europe get its act together to actually spend on defence, and that could have an economic impact down the line, which could save or at least limit the downside on European stocks.
Thales said rising demand had repaid investments in defence capacity. Investors watch Thales's growth on a constant or underlying basis. Its CEO says Europe has the technology to assure its own defence, but added that its ability to fill any gaps left by transatlantic tensions will depend on the extent to which political declarations turn into firm defence orders. For 2025, Thales predicted like-for-like growth in sales of between 5 and 6%. It said orders would continue to outpace sales.